Shenzhen TouchThink Intelligence Company Limited was established in 2013. It is a high-tech enterprise that develops and produces industrial intelligent automated touch display devices. TouchThink's products have passed more than 10 national and industry standard certifications, and the core products have independent intellectual property rights. TouchThink strives to provide our customers with one-stop intelligent automation from board research and development, all in one PC mold development and manufacturing, design, product production, quality testing, and end customer back-end support. Equipment solutions. As professional manufacturer of industrial smart panel PC, TouchThink always contribute functional, Sunlight View, and Industrial Grade 4.0 product to customer all over the world. With low cost, low power consumption, latest touch and display technology, unique design, and high quality solution, our product operate and refine to rugged industrial environment. Our company's products are sold worldwide. The company has won the unanimous recognition of consumers with satisfactory product quality and perfect after-sales service. We have a professional R&D team. We can accept OEM and ODM. TouchThink continuously releases the original innovations according to the market and customer needs, and always maintains the novelty and innovation of the products. Solving problems for customers and meeting customer needs is our eternal pursuit. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits.